So in this problem we have to find the reflection coefficient SWR circle and the return loss in dB. So first plot the Zn normalized value and with this radius draw the VSWR circle. With this length with the compass go to the SWR scale and from the center, this is the center, cut it with that same length and see the read value. Similarly, to find the return loss, cut with the same value the return loss scale and see the value. To find the magnitude of the reflection coefficient, the scale is over here and cut it and find the magnitude of the reflection coefficient. To find the angle of the reflection coefficient, draw a straight line from the center passing through the ZL and read the value of angle on the outermost scale, angle of the reflection coefficient in degrees. Okay, so analytically first you write the ZL and using the reflection coefficient formula you can find the gamma. You will get it as a complex number. To find its magnitude on calculator you can just, if this is a complex number you can just press shift plus this absolute button and press answer. So this is the magnitude of the reflection coefficient, and similarly you can find the angle using shift tan inverse of imaginary part upon the real part. So basically this will be 0.15 upon 0.23. This is in radians. To convert it into degree you can just make the calculator in degree and find the ratio of tan inverse of imaginary part upon the real part. To find the return loss, the formula is minus 10 log to the base 10 mod gamma square. To find the SWR, it is 1 plus mod gamma upon 1 minus mod gamma.